This is Pappy the Truth bringing you part 2 of the Baltimore blizzard, straight from F.U.Hood news. And as you can see, we're getting hit with some more snow / sleet / rain, which making it even worse on top of the snow we already had. So we got snow on top of ice, basically. And as you can see, trees and some more shit is falling down. And it's real fucked up and nasty out here. So, pretty sure a lot of people called out today. That's why you see all these cars here. The ones you can see anyway. A lot of them still buried under the snow. But, I'm making this one real short because I'm recording this with my iPhone and it's getting wet. And I'm cold. You know black people don't like the cold. So I'm taking my black ass in the house. But as you can see, shit's still fucked up. Even got snow falling off the damn roofs. Oh well. It's time to go tap the bottle and twist the cat.